Matthew the 10:26. Therefore do not be afraid of human beings, because there will be cover which will not be opened, and there is no one which will not go to the Bible. Why did Jesus say that? Why did Jesus say that? Why did Jesus do not be afraid of saying anything? Do not be afraid of saying anything. Do not be afraid of the person who will not be opened what is wrong and what is covered with 2 Timotheus 1:7. God has not worried about power and love. The soul of restraint means that Jesus was saying Matthew 10:26 that God Holy Spirit is the soul of the power which has been given to us. Act 1:7. Holy Spirit will come to you, will be able to go to the power of earth. Jesus was saying that the Holy Spirit will come to you, will be able to power. Matthew 10:26. Therefore has said, do not to be afraid of the mind, because the Holy Spirit will come to you. You 1 Corinthians 4:5 is written, in the same darkness Jesus will bring in the light of Matthew 10:26. So that Jesus was saying Matthew 10:26, there was no cover which will not open, or something is hidden which would not go. The meaning of saying that the Holy Spirit will bring the hidden things of darkness in the light. Spirit will reveal the truth of God in the world and strengthen you by the strengthening. So Jesus said, do not be afraid of women.